In the heat of the desert, where the sun burns hotter than steel, stands a symbol of strength, service, and survival. The IMSS Hospital of Mexicali, Baja California. Since 1951, this hospital, known as IMSS, has been the lifeline for millions of workers and families across Mexico. When it arrived in Baja California, Mexicali was growing fast, a tough border city full of dreamers, farmers, and factory workers. IMSS became their shield, their safety net. In 1970, a new chapter began with the Hospital General, a center dedicated to mothers, children, and family. Soon after came Hospital General de Zona, the regional heart of emergency care and advanced medicine. Together they formed the pulse of modern healthcare in Mexicali. Through decades of blistering heat, earthquakes, and even a global pandemic, IMSS Mexicali never closed its doors. Doctors, nurses, and staff workers worked through the night, exhaustion, fighting fear to keep their people alive. For every patient, every child, every elder, they stood tall. Today, IMSS Mexicali continued to grow with new technology, modern facilities, and a commitment to secure every corner of the Baja California. It is not just a hospital, it's a promise that no matter how hot the desert gets, hope never fails. IMSS Mexicali, serving Baja, healing Mexico.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and also give the video a like.